What it do, everybody? It's your girl, Micaiah Sharday. I just hope that you're able to learn something from this video. On today, I'm about to teach you how to create a graphic, or what it looks like in the process of creating a graphic. And this isn't just any graphic. This is Testimony Tuesday's graphic. I am relaunching my YouTube page within 2025 to show you guys what it looks like to be a woman of faith, a woman of creativity, a woman of lifestyle, and also a woman of resilience. And even if you're not a woman, just know that God can change anybody's life, no matter the gender or where you come from. I wanted to let you guys know that you don't have to sacrifice who you are in your creative perspectives just to serve God. Actually, you can partner the two and still continue to be who God called you to be while still being a creative. I am so obsessed with God and the way that He allows me to design things and process things. This is a gift truly from the Lord. I pray that you guys will begin to learn something from this Testimony Tuesday. I'll see you then.